Hi guys, just got room service at the hotel, and I've got deep fried ice cream with chocolate topping on it, and also got something a bit non-Asian because I felt like that today. The hamburger with fries. So I'm going to go in reverse order. I'm going to try the deep fried ice cream first before it melts. See how it is. Get a bit of butter on there. Oh, ice cream's already melting. I need a bit of a fork there to get a bit off. Oh, ice cream's already melted, probably because it's so hot here. Okay, get a bit of chocolate sauce in that. Very, very nice. You have to have another bite of that. Crispy butter, ice cream very nice. The chocolate topping gives it a nice touch as well. Very good. Let's taste one of the fries next. It's good, it's alright. Just needs a bit of salt though, the fries. Apart from that, they're good. And now we'll try the burger. Looks quite nice. My first burger here in Indonesia. It's got not bacon, but it's got ham, it's got cheese, egg, big beef patty there, lettuce, mayonnaise on a sesame bun. Very nice actually. Actually tastes a bit like the In-N-Out burger in California. Meat patty very well done. Cheese is nice, all melted. Yeah, gives it all the beautiful flavour. It's hitting the spot. Very good. Alright, I'll finish this off now. Not bad, room service. Cheers.